welcome back to my channel. This is Pashpika. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be diving into another question that I got from my YouTube videos. One of the person commented that is it too late to right now publish the Halloween design? Like if they want to publish it right now, is it the best time or it's too late? So I'm gonna be answering this question in this video. And also guys, if you're also thinking that it's September and October is the Halloween, is it too late or is it the right time or whatever it is, if you also want to know, then I'm going to be talking about this thing in this video. Along with that, I'm going to be talking about some ideas, some things that you could incorporate to actually get some sales from this Halloween. So let's get started with that. Before we consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such videos, subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos. When we do so, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, we have the bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in description box below, or simply head over to globook.com. Check out the freebie section. It contains a full commercial license so you can use it. Also, we are soon going to starting with exclusive email newsletter to help you make more money. The link is in description box below. Right now it's on waitlist. It's 100% free. Make sure you subscribe to it. Once we get started with that, we will going to sending you each and every week in your email inbox exclusive content regarding making money online. So let's talk about today's topic. Now, is it too late to upload Halloween designs right now at this time of the September? It's almost 20th of September, 21st, 20th, whatever it is. And we are almost about to get started with the October. So is it right time or is it too late? But I want to tell you guys, it can be late, it can be right time because this is just a confusing question. I mean, for the Halloween, we prepare our shops in the August. Like for every holidays, we prepare our shops almost 2 or 3 months ahead of that particular holiday because it takes time for your designs to actually be found in the search engine of that particular print-on-demand platform, because it's not like that once you are uploading today, your designs will going to be found in the next week and you're gonna get the sales. It might happen, but most of the cases it doesn't happen that fast. If you are a newbie and if your shop doesn't have that much of favorites, followers, that much of sales history, so it will really going to take some time to be your designs to be found in the search engine for that particular search engine. So that's why we take at least 2 to 3 months before that, so that it will going to be there in the search engine and found when people are looking for. I would say it's a little bit late if you're uploading your Halloween designs right now because people are already started purchasing them. People are already starting purchasing the Halloween designs. So if you're just uploading right now, it would be a little bit of delayed. But if you want to upload it right now, then go forward. Don't think too much. Don't overthink about it. Just take an action because overthinking is not a solution. Overthinking is not a solution for anything. So don't think too much about it. Just get started with that. Start making the designs, start uploading them and start doing the work which is important. So you would be thinking too much about, is it the right time? Should I need to upload it or not? Or I need to leave it like that. I need to wait for the next Halloween in the next 2022. I want to tell you guys, upload it right now. Don't wait too long. Although I told you that it's a little bit late for you to upload it right now, but still there is a time. Still, it's the 31st of October. Still there is a time, and for the people who would be purchasing in the 20th October or 15th October, those person will going to be able to find your design. So upload it right now. Don't think too much. That's the number one tip I have for you. Upload it. Hopefully I have answered this particular comment. Now I'm going to be talking about some tips to actually help your designs to be found in the search engine of that particular search engine. Even if you're uploading right now, which is a little bit late for the Halloween because we talk about 2 to 3 months ahead of uploading the designs for that particular occasion, or even because it really takes some time. But even if you want to upload it right now, go ahead, do it, do your homework. Even if you get some sales from that particular design, that's completely fine. It will going to be there for the next Halloween in the 2022 and would likely to get more sales the next time. If you want to upload it right now, go ahead. Now the number one tip I have for you is if you're uploading your design, make sure you're very well clear about the niches because there are so many Halloween niches, and if you're just simply targeting the simple Halloween, it would be more competitive, not little bit. So go for the specific niches, specific design ideas. For the very well, you can do your research on the Etsy, on the Redbubble itself, on the Jazzle, on the Amazon itself. Go and look out for the different kinds of design idea, niche ideas, and target them and see which are more competitive, which are less competitive. Obviously, you need to go with the less competitive one. Another tip that I have for you guys is upload more design. Don't just upload 5 designs of the Halloween and sit back and relax for the sales to happen. No. Upload as many designs as possible, because if you're uploading more designs, obviously there would be a more likely chances for the sales to happen for your shop. So upload as much as you can. Don't just upload few designs and wait and relax and thinking of getting the sales. No. Do it as much as you can, depending on your threshold, depending on whatever you can do and how much you can make the designs, and go forward with it. The third tip I have for you is about the tag and title. Incorporate the tag and title, a Halloween gift or something like that, the thing that people are more likely to actually search on that particular search engines. For example, if you're uploading a scary pumpkin design on your t-shirt on the Redbubble, then upload it and use a tag and title as Halloween gift ideas, and have some kind of a target person in your mind. For example, it would be for the kids, it would be the male, adult female, whatever it is. Have some kind of person and just write for like Halloween gifts for kids or Halloween gifts for girl kids, something around those corner. Use those tags in your design upload process, because people would be looking for that and it would be likely to get them more sales. Another tip I have for you, upload your design on as many products as much as you can on that particular search engine. In fact, I would be saying going for all, because you don't need to leave a single product behind, because you don't know which product can get you the more sales or make you more money. So utilize each and every product, optimize it well, look for whether your design is actually looking good for that particular product or not. If it's not looking good, then go optimize separately for that particular product and then upload for separate design on that particular product. You have an option on Redbubble. For example, if you're uploading a text-based Halloween design, it's looking pretty amazing on a t-shirt because it's horizontal, but it's not looking amazing on phone cases because it's a vertical. So you need to have a vertical text-based design, something around those corners, that optimize it according to the iPhone cases or phone cases, because you don't need to leave the phone cases behind. It might get you more sales. You don't know which product can get you the more sales, because people leave so many products behind. If you go onto the search engine of the Redbubble and look for the particular products, you're going to see there is a huge variation between the products. Like sticker t-shirts are having millions of products. For the product, something like water bottle, it's very less competitive. I already talked about in one of my videos. It was having only 30,000, 40,000 search results, and that's all. Because not many people are utilizing it. So why you want to leave it behind? Another tip I have for you guys is promote as much as you can. I've already made a bunch of videos talking about the Pinterest promotion. I'm going to leave them in the card section above. Promote it onto the idea pin. Idea pin is the best way to get the more traction right now, because it's having a loose algorithm right now. It's a new thing about on the Pinterest, and people are getting more views, more followers just by this new option, that's the idea pin. So utilize it, guys. I'm going to leave the bunch of the videos for you to watch it out about the idea pin and Pinterest in the card section above. Also promote it onto the Instagram. Make a niche based account on Instagram related to your shop and promote as much as you can, because people are looking on social media, on Pinterest for the ideas for the Halloween, and they might come across your shop, your niche, your design, and they would be interested in, and they would click on that and actually going to purchase from you. So do it as much as you can, because we need to go full on with this holiday to actually make the good money, because it's not about just thinking that I'm gonna be making thousands of dollars the next month. You need to put in the things into action. You need to do the action as well, apart from just thinking and visualizing it, because that's what the law of attraction says. It's not just about attracting something in your life. You also need to do an action to actually reach to a place where you're attracting that particular thing in your life. Of course, you need to dream about it. You need to visualize about it. You need to think about it and all those kind of stuff, but you need to take an action. So do it as much as you can, depending on your thresholds. I'm telling you to do it depending on your threshold, because you don't need to burn out in the process. People do burn out. In fact, I do burn out oftentimes, and I take a break and I can't go it longer, so I just take a small break. But you need to be kept doing. Another tip I have for you is multiple platform strategy. I have talked a lot about in my videos, guys, is uploading the same design on multiple different platforms, like 3 to 4 platforms, whatever suits best to you. Start uploading it. So whatever it is, if you are not getting the sale for that particular design on the Redbubble, you would be getting on Teepublic, Threadless, Society6, who knows about it. Just utilize it and start uploading it. You don't need to overthink about it. Oh, is it too late? It's too late. I can't upload it right now, so I need to think about the Christmas. No, if you want to upload the Halloween design right now, go upload it. Do it right now, because the overthinking is naturally taking your time. You would be thinking today, tomorrow. 1 week would be going and thinking itself. So it's better to take an action rather than thinking a lot about it, because you don't know when we get the sales. So there is a lot more uncertainty in this entrepreneur journey. That's the beauty of this journey. That's why I like a lot. But hopefully I've answered the comment or that particular question I got in one of my video. Do let me know in the comment section below if you have any more holiday related questions, comments, queries. I would really love to hear from you, because this is the last month and we are prepping for our shops. And I've been talking a lot thing about my videos because I'm also prepping. So I also want to help you guys do the same, make money as much as you want, and fulfill your dream, live the life of your dream and all. Hopefully you find it useful. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye guys.